Let's go. Welcome, good morning, good evening. How are you today? Welcome, Chad. Welcome, everyone. Hey, great to see you. Like and share the presentation with all the community members. Let's go. Come on. Let's just share the live stream as usually. All the trading groups. Bring it on. $100,000 in giveaways. We are good to go for a happy Wednesday time. What's happening in the markets? Well, we're sitting at a supply level. This is on the hourly. But there's something very important that happened. And I want you to see that. The very important thing was the breakout retest confirmation. Look at this one, guys. On the Nasdaq, breakout retest confirmation. Good evening, good day, good morning. Thank you guys for joining. So this is what happened. 569.68 has been converted. A level from previous resistance following through a support trending line. But now, of course, you're dealing with a supply on the 620s. This is a horizontal supply we have at the 620s. And right below us, around 40 points, we've got support. So the hourly is not looking bad. It's definitely not looking bad. Now, speaking about a 5-minute situation is a different story. Great to see you guys. Beautiful time. Beautiful. Make sure to like the video. We've got 3 giveaways scheduled for today. $100,000. Beautiful. Let's go. Testing the daily opening and VWAP right here. This is a possible level of reaction, but I'm not really happy to long it for the moment. We've got some more minutes to go. I'd like to do my analysis. We're trading right now Ticktick Trader 5 accounts where we have collected a point. We're continuing basically for the second day. But the most important part is basically the top 1 futures account that have $18,000 drawdown. And we only have to complete the trading days because at this point, we have already completed the target. We have already completed the consistency. So now it's just about having 10 trading days. That's all. And then I'm going for the savviest ones too.
Order filled.
Testing out along here. This is a promising level. Promising level which could come through with a rejection. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. Make sure to join our Discord as well, especially to be part of the giveaway. You gotta be part of our community.
Order filled.
$5.95, an interesting level. I'd like to see how this 5-minute candlestick discovers rejection by the closing time of it.
Order filled.
Wouldn't be a $5.94. This is an interesting level. With expectancies from my side to react. We have another one coming in at $5.89. But this one right here, the one we're dealing with right now, so the 5-minute candle we had right now should go green. And then the 1 minute too, of course. Yeah, I'm looking for sending out the fire. Firing fireworks. Shooting fireworks. I'd love to do that, but my entry is a little bit high. Yeah, we have been DCing into this whole picture. The daily opening is there. The daily VWAP is there around the 603. Which could give us a rejection, a temporary rejection. Look at that.
Order filled.
I've DC'd one contract here, of course, at
Order
risk.
filled.
One more. This is a potential level of reversal, otherwise we're going to accept a partial loss.
Order filled.
$200 EMA sits right there, exactly where we are fighting right now. That's a pretty big drop. I'm not going to be able to let this one slide lower, much lower. Other than the current level.
Order filled.
And it got triggered, basically. So we've got the stopped out scenario. Whew. Totally unexpected to see that on the 5-minute, guys. Especially after the 1 hour looked great. That's a really powerful move. No buying pressure, stepped in all the way. Pretty surprised. I was expecting a form of reaction. At least here, here, here. 3 levels that I've been bidding. None of them reacted. And without a reaction on the pre-market is quite intense. Usually you get these things on the opening where the market is heavy on liquidity and do not cares about the levels that happened quite before. Certainly has the ability to smash through everything. But this way, it's a little different, guys, for me. And this is continuing lower and lower. Right? We just have to do a little trading here on the top on futures. This is where we are. You know, there's certainly an explanation afterwards. And there's certainly multiple scenarios during the time when things are actually happening, right? When things are actually live. So that's the gap of the trading. That's the trick of the trading. With no liquidity, days are usually running around certain levels, very, very clear levels out there. When we are missing liquidity, we used to react very, very well to these levels. At least have an impulse, which is the only thing. Usually I'm requesting a few points and then I go break even and that's it, right? But at this time, there's nothing going around it.
Order filled.
Got into a long here, only need a few dollars. I'm more focused on that 10 seconds than the dollar mark.
Order filled.
Beautiful, $17 profit. That's enough here. We don't need more, basically. We've got 8 days of trading. 2 more days are needed. And with 2 more days, we're going to cash out $9,450 from Tap on Futures. No, haven't traded gold on pre-market. Have not experienced that. Could be a solution out there. Gold's been reacting very nicely to certain levels that are clearly confirmed. For example, you got the daily opening here. Market comes back to the daily opening, rejects. It's very simple trading, right? Support is delivering. It's delivering the necessary and the sufficient reaction. Two more days needed here. Whatever type of trading is fine. Whatever type of number is fine. We will take that 9,450. But a Ticktick trader, whole thing has not been going. We got $200 here left. There's not much to do when you have $200 left. I'm gonna focus right now a little bit more to see where we've got some tap on futures accounts. We've got this one that I'd like to trade. And I'm also gonna give it a long here for the Ticktick trader.
Filled.
A single contract. You know,
Order
it's $200 basically max loss. Looks like this is breaking lower and lower. Also, I'd like to long it here as well.
Order filled.
2 contracts. $200 away. Ticktick lately had difficulties on me. In terms of my trading didn't went too good on Ticktick. So I'm moving between the Ticktick trader and the top 1 futures accounts right now. Adding
Order
more on
filled.
my top 1 futures where we have 4,500 drawdown. Not going to touch my Ticktick trader once.
Order
It's not
filled.
possible. I don't have drawdown there. But the Savius accounts that I'm about to trade a little bit later, guys, are also having a great performance. Just, you know, 2 days are needed right there and we're good to go. If we get 2 days of good profits, we're good to go with that one too. Make sure to like the video. Come on, guys. Let's bring on the numbers. We've got 3 giveaways scheduled for today. 3 giveaways ready to fly. Let's go. Come on. Like the video. Be subscribed. Join our Discord.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
We might come all the way down to the support trending line or pretty much to the lows we're dealing with right now, 567. This is also the place I'm going to long Savius accounts. Pretty much longed everywhere right now. Good morning, welcome. Ticktick trader performance has not been too good for me today, but certainly top 1 futures, we got to the target. We completed day number 8. It's easy there. We only have to do the trading day. And then, of course, my Savius account as well. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Bring it on. We got 6 contracts open here. You know, with a $1,000 move, I'm happy on 575. $573, we have DC'd a little more into this. Making around 1,000 is kind of sufficient for 2 days in a row, and we're good to go for the payout, guys. Looks like it misses the strength every time I have been expecting it. Not the most desirable price action indeed. Let it fly. I'm going to put my target a little bit higher. We got some momentum right now. We're going to be break even. Let's go. Come on, guys. Close to 75 on my exit. There's no time to be weak. We got to do that $1,000 here on Savius with Quantower. Stop loss and break even. Oh my god. It's almost fully denied. We can't do 3 points after we've been dumping for the past dozens of minutes. That was very close. Beautiful, guys. And we've made the profit needed. We've made $1,300. Had celebration time because only one more day is needed here. One more day. Actually, less than $1,000 needed here. So that's definitely deserving of fireworks. That's definitely deserving fireworks. Thank you, guys. That's a good one. 156,764. We gotta do 157,500. Boom. Look at that. 156,764. We gotta do 157,500. Right? So that's less than $1,000. But I gotta verify what was my highest day. I think we're fine with the highest day too. We got to respect 20% consistency. We only need 10 trading days as well. We don't have 10 trading days here, but of course, if you got your targets and consistency, you can do flipping, right? For the days that are remaining, exactly what I'm doing right now on my Tap on Futures accounts. Our trade is still open here. Putting the stop loss on my entry right now, it's making sense. And the $1,800 the most. Let me quickly verify what's my highest day here. 1,800 is the highest day. So that's what I'm gonna try to make today as well, 1,800. Let's go, guys. Come on, bring it on. Like the video, be subscribed. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful price action. Time to fight back. The Ticktick is over. For the moment, we're gonna get back. There's 9,450 we're gonna get from the top one futures is gonna be enough to refill the whole bag for September. We're gonna cross $50,000 on top on futures payouts with this. $50,000, that's pretty good. On a prop firm which you have to collect payouts of 10,000 and so on.
Order filled.
We got stopped out on break even, but would be nice to come all the way into the 560s, 558. Others have not made it to live with tens of thousands. Some are already live. I am in the sim phase yet. Out of this, we've cashed out also 10,000 from the Ticktick trader and about 45, 46 from the top one. This is what we have cashed out. But from the Ticktick trader, 40% of the cash out went to the live wallet. 10% goes back to the company and you receive 50%. So I got $5,000 from there. We've got $4,000 in the live wallet, which I'm planning to use at a time I'm going to have sufficient to be moved into live, which means I got to do that 10,000 threshold and I'm going to be moved into live with Ticktick. Overall, we have around 35 grand in the last 2 months. Pure profits. Pure profits. Yeah. On Ticktick is what we have burned some cash in the past 2 weeks. We have burned around $6,000. But on top one futures, we just bought a couple of accounts in the last 3 to 4 weeks. I've been trading this ones for a while, and this are the only ones that I've been kind of really pushing it hard. This is for August, and now you look at the July. So we have no losing days here. And this is good. Look at that buying pressure that stepped in again. I think we're capable of breaking out here, guys.
Order filled.
I think we're capable of squeezing above this. I'm going to risk a little bit here.
Order filled.
Like how many 1 minute candlesticks got stuck on the 78? Fees are above that 35 profit. We spend more than 10,000 on accounts to have 35 grand profit. As soon as we cross the 80s, I'm going to go break even. Only swing trades in crypto. A lot of swing trades in crypto. No day trades, but a lot of swing trades. Yeah, I've been going crazy into this trade. Pretty aggressive, right? I don't think this level holds here without crossing the liquidity floor. So if we cross the liquidity, let's do it with max contracts. And I'm gonna go break even quite quickly as soon as we cross the 80, so... Come on. Give me that breakout above 80s. We are sitting on max contracts, 15 minis. I don't think we're gonna have 20 rejections in a row. Look at that. As soon as I speak, they're doing it. Crazy. Very important and obvious. We only have to do less than $1,000 to reach the target. Very important. You know, $256 for an account. Because it's 60% discount. These are the accounts exclusively for our community. Let's have a look into what's happening here, guys. Break even. I'm going break even. I actually sold 5 contracts. And I sold 5 more. And I'm letting the rest nicely right there. So we secured 370. I'm fully out. 463. I expected a much bigger push here with the liquidity on that candle. It didn't came. So if it didn't came on my expectation, I had to change my style and adapted, which means I exited. Because this could be a fake out and the market could reverse. Right? So I realistically needed my target to be touched from the candle, and within the candle we broke out. That's what I needed. If that did not came in, then it's too dangerous to hold that position actively. That was my thinking. You have to decide your moments. Make sure to like the video, guys. Be subscribed, join our Discord. So, back to the savviest discussion. There's 60% off. This is only for our community members exclusively. You're not going to be able to see this plans and this offers and this packages. You cannot see these packages on the official website. This is only for our community. For those of you that would like to find out more, we do have a video explaining it on my channel, a complete review. No, I spent around $11,000 and we made more than 45. Between 45 and 50. And we're about to make another 9,450 in 2 more days. So we're going to have around 56, 57 with 11, 12 maximum costs. And that's going to be purely 45 at that moment. We're going to proceed at top on futures. Yeah. And this is about in the last 60 to 70 days. Right, so 60% off here, which is $256 for this. This is what we're looking for, taking to the payout. The payout target is at $7,500. It's only 5% for the payout targets, guys. Only 5%. $256, 7,500. the payout is $3,000, right? So it's more than 10 times. You're getting 90 to 10 split. You're getting 90 to 10 split. The best offer here is the Tomcat and the Thunderbolt. Basically, the payout target is at 5%. You got to sign up to the link I've attached to be able to see inside your dashboard area when you're logging in this accounts and prices. Otherwise, these accounts are not available. This is not available for the whole public. It's exclusively for our community, guys. Like the video. Come on, let's bring in some numbers. We got a lot of the people here. So, Jan B, if I only have $200 drawdown, but I got a bunch of payouts coming in and a very good profitable season, I'm going aggressive on that $200. And I prefer utilizing my resources of time and energy into very likely new accounts, because I might lose that one. So instead of fighting back and consuming much more for the same payout, I prefer to save time, save resources, spend a little more money, buy new accounts, and go that way when there is such context. If I am down a lot, if I have no payouts, if I have difficulties, if I'm not feeling great on trading, if that's the environment, then of course I'm going to try to save that account with micros, not minis. Depends on the whole context. That $200 right there drawdown could fit both scenarios, going aggressive or defensive or cautious, but it depends on the whole context. For me, it's very important to have a considerable outlook into my last 2-3 months performance and the way the style has been working. This is still bullish, guys, here. So that's my explanation, fellas. Keep in mind, for the Ticktick trader, the whole 65% off ends in 4 days. Ends by the end of the month, right? So the ones who are trading with $500 a day profit score, you know, big deal. The new straight to funded plus accounts, promotion ends at the end of the month. Right now, the daily loss limit is removed. It's basically for free. You don't need to pay an extra $149 to remove that. Although I definitely suggest everyone not to pay that $145 extra, because the daily loss limit helps you. Exactly. So I suggest you also to have a deeper analysis on the whole context. It might not worth trying to save that account and instead put those resources into new accounts that will bring you quicker to the payout. So it really depends, where are you? If you're down a lot financially and you're squeezed, go for saving the accounts. That's also an exercise of discipline. So I've been doing that. I've been trying to save accounts when I had no payouts. And when I started the live stream, we were about 2 months into the live stream without payouts. We haven't spent that much money at those times, but we haven't got any payouts. It's not easy when we trade on live. It's more difficult. Yeah, Ticktick Trader is a great prop firm. Bring it down, baby. All the way into the 60s. I am waiting for you there.
Order filled.
I got in a quick short here, 5 contracts. I think this is going to come down. 5 minis right there.
Order filled.
Add in one more. I think this is going to come down. Let's see.
Order filled.
The path for live trading is really good. Or Ticktick Trader is really good, guys.
Order filled.
567 is my target. 66 right there are 9 minis short. Normally this would actually continue, right? That's how the language and the price action speaks. There you go. It happens exactly what is normally needed. Moving break even. Come on. Just a little more and we touch the target of the day. Do not dare to reverse from there. Do not dare. I don't want to sell anything, but I might need to. Right? Oh my god.
Order filled.
I'm out. What a silly situation, guys. What a silly situation. What a silly situation, and then it's getting rejected, comes down all the way. Look at that, guys. Nothing you can do about it. Look at that. Our target would have been touched there, fellas. Our target would have been touched there. There you go. Absolutely madness. From here, I'm looking forward longing it.
Order filled.
Hey, pretty good. Very important that we have day number 8 on top on futures. Nicely confirmed, and of course, we're less than $1,000 away from a payout on Savius, which is also important. This is a decent spot where the bulls could test out some, as long as it holds.
Order filled.
560s. 560s is definitely a level.
Order filled.
Been nicely shorting earlier, but we've been trailed out. Because that's what happens when you go stop loss break even. And now we're looking for a reversal, trading against the trend. Look at that. Thank you guys for joining.
Order filled.
Couple of more DC'd into this level, around the 60s.
Order filled.
$568 on my exit.
Order filled.
Oh, congrats, buddy. Congrats on your daughter. That's an awesome time. Happy for you. Great celebration moment. Sending you all the blessings, buddy. Congrats. Beautiful. Watching the markets closely. Because I am heavily exposed. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that miserable thing. We just wick into my target that has not been triggered, and now watch the markets going all the way back to the bottom. But I want you to see the wick. We have wicked all the way to my 566 that has not been triggered. I gotta sell something here.
Order filled.
I gotta get out of this thing. The entry is too high. But we have wicked into, you saw that, guys. And this guy's played me out. That's pretty exciting. You wanna retire in 5 years? That's good news, right? Now you're gonna have a really good time. I got 2 daughters, so life is beautiful. Sending you all the blessings, guys. So, what's happening here? Miserable markets doing pump and dump on Nvidia day, right? It's gonna break out. It's gonna break out of the 630s a little bit later, guys. It's gonna break out. Indeed. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Let's bring in those numbers. Look at that. This trending line here. I hope you see it. I hope you are. Let me just point that again. I hope you got into somehow and monetize this little bubble here. Look at the cup color in my shirt. It's the same. Bitcoin about to force the breakout. I think it will do it today. Not the all-time high breakout. It has a resistance trending line bothering the price action. Exactly. Bring it down into the 60s once again. So I can long it. Bring it down. Come on. A little lower and I'm fine longing it. 58.
Order filled.
Not 78. I wanted to do 58. So I'm going to do 57 right now and 55. If we get there, I'd like to increase the sizing.
Order
I'm getting
filled.
out of this trade. I actually wanted to buy a little lower than that. I don't trust that level. "15 minutes to go and the market opens. It is Nvidia earnings today. Ticktick trader tap on futures and Savius accounts. This is what we're trading. Max discount pretty much everywhere utilizing the coupon code SCRAMBLE. I'd like to do another $800 here. That's it, right? We got a couple of buy orders. Limit buy orders triggered. In case the market wants
Order
to
filled.
wick into our sizing. Come on. First 3 contracts have been filled. Decreasing the next one. Right below the previous low, just in case they want to take the liquidity, I want to be there. Right? Because we can always do this. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Wish you a lovely day. Morning, everyone. Even in our Discord community, we're having a great time. Hey, great to see you, Tim. Fernandez, all these great guys right here. Putting together numbers for our community. Make sure to like the video, fellas. Like the video, be subscribed. We've got 3 giveaways starting today. A little later. In the meantime, we are fighting. We are fighting from the trenches. I'm expecting this level to give me a few points. So let me see if my expectations are correct or not. I don't care about any heavy trend change or shifting or anything like that. BOS of the structure, no. It's different here, just a little couple of points. Yeah, Quantum, that's exactly what's going to happen. That's exactly what's going to happen. This is another confirmation on top of all other confirmations we had, which is why there is a right now. Let me quickly verify what's the percentage. For the rate cut. 520s, 530s. That's quite deep from here. It's doable. %88 for the rate cut. The market is knowing already, guys. 88%. The big question comes around the 29th of October. If we're still going to get a rate cut, another one, a new one, another 25 points, or we're going to pause. So we might get September rate cut, October pause, and December another rate cut. Or you could actually get 3 out of 3. You know, we can get into that 520s, guys, but let's first touch that 71. Buckle up for a nice move. And pretty much finish the target here. 10 minutes to go when the market opens. I'm not really expecting an easy opening today with Nvidia earnings later. I wouldn't mind to see 571 first. I would actually mind to see the other side of the coin. This is an interesting spot here to buckle up my position.
Order filled.
We got 6 contracts filled up. So I can decrease my target. I can go about 564 is pretty much sufficient. As soon as we start moving and we break the 60s, the 64, even the 71 are achievable and doable targets. We just broke below. Let's see if the pressure comes in. Got some limit orders there. See you tomorrow, buddy. Have a good one. Let's get to see this one on 564 first, and then we start doing the push-ups.
Order filled.
Doubled up. No more limit orders. This is really doable, guys, on 4 points right here. I'm telling you. This is not looking bad for less than 4 points right now needed. With that previous candlestick closing, with the current one forcing, It's not that we're in safe hands, but we're in a good probability hands here for a little push. Especially we got $980 secured. Six minutes to go and the market opens. I don't want to see the price action this way. Keep going. Come on. 3 points needed. There you go. Let me zoom in a little. I'm not gonna DCA right here because my target could be very close and I'm not gonna have the 10 seconds needed. Look at that, guys. We started to move a little. Another point needed and we're fine. I'm gonna go break even. Stop loss break even. Come on. It's just 2 ticks away from my target. 2 ticks. That's ridiculous.
Order filled.
Oh my god, we got stopped out on break even. This is ridiculous, guys. This is so weak. That's just crazy, man. Yeah, Jordan. It's an early initiative. Yeah. Another $800 needed. I mean, you're definitely going to have a great time on live. You want to test out in the meantime Ticktick Trader as well. Yeah, it takes a little time for the onboarding process for the live. But you want to keep in mind that what I suggest and what I suggested others is not to pause your trading, because pausing your trading keeps you out of your great form of trading you got as an athlete of trading, right? You're an athlete. 3 minutes to go. So you definitely want to trade something in the meantime. Ticktick Trader or Savius accounts that we're having. You definitely want to test out something. But that's a good one, Jordan. That's a great payout. Less than 2 minutes to go, guys. I need another $800 here. That daily opening on 604. It's big volatility and a bunch of nonsense movements. We've got Nvidia earnings later. I think the Nvidia earnings are after the market closing. So after closings. 1 minute to go. Market is dropping. Could have some stinky bits on 520s, right? I got 3 contracts set right there around 520s. I'm looking forward to that. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring in those numbers. And here you go. That's the opening bell. Let's find out what happens. I think we're going down, but let's see. I'm out.
Order filled.
We made $500. That's good. That's really good. We've shorted and made $500.
Order filled.
I've shorted this once again. We need to do 250 more. Let's see if we can do it. I'm going break even, guys. Come on. Bring it down on 528. 250 more,
Order
and I'm
filled.
fine. And there you go. The target has been touched. Trading at the opening. We finally made another $900 at the opening. Celebration time, guys. That's a beautiful one. We touched the target here as well. This is day number 2 on our Top 1 futures. We've got day number 8 on the other Top 1 futures. We have a lot of the days and just less than $1,000 away from the Ticktick trader. From the Savius. So we're in a very good shape. In a very, very good shape. Beautiful. Like I said, here the second day. Celebration time. Celebration time, and guess what's happening and guess what's coming next? I am telling you. We are starting. The name of the game. The name of the game, the name of the business. We are ready to fly. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for 3 giveaways? Let's go, come on. Just wait a little bit. How to join? Like the video. That's how you participate in the giveaways. 3 of them. Like the video. Be subscribed with notification bell turn on. And the third thing is join my Discord. Right, so these are the 3 things you gotta do. Do not guess multiple numbers. Wait, do not write for the moment. Wait. Do not guess multiple numbers. Do not guess from multiple accounts. You're gonna get banned. This is gonna be verified, guys. Alright guys, so let's get started. Let me know your numbers. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Beautiful. That's what I've been waiting for. That's why I waited a little bit to get your accounts loaded up, guys. Come on. You know, we're joking. This is a $25,000 top 1 futures account. A Sim Pro account. Whenever you see the stop, it's over. No more guesses, that's it. Let's shuffle. Let's shuffle more. And we're good to go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Good luck, guys. Come on. Let's find it out. What's right there for the first giveaway? What's going to be the exciting number? We've got a double 4, but we're not going to stop there. Might be the blue number 2, guys. Might be that blue number 2. Look at that. I think that's what's going to be the blue number 2, guys. And there you go. We've got it. Blue number 2. Congratulations for the winners. We're going to the duck race, round number 2. Keep in mind, there's 3 giveaways today. This was the first one. 2 from Top 1 Futures and 1 from Ticktick Trader. $41 winners. A lot of the people, once again. Pretty popular number out there. Pretty popular. And start. Good luck, guys. Good luck swimming around. Good luck finding around, rushing. Come on. We might get the number 5 at some point, and when that number 5 comes in, I think it's gonna be a double 5. Keep going. Keep going, guys. Look at that. Tons of people out there. Tons of people out there on the list. Less than 30 seconds. And the ducks are swimming. 10 seconds to go. Who's going to take the lead and speed up the curve? Come on. And there you go. We have the chef coming in with a spoon. Pereira. Trader Pereira. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. That's a big one right there. You got a $25,000 instant funding account, Sim Pro. Pereira, you're having a great time. So you can get ready and trade with that little spoon you got in your hands. You want to make sure you trade with a spoon. That's exactly what brought you a happy good luck time. So, continuing, fellas. Continuing with the second giveaway. Beautiful, from Brazil. Get ready, guys, for the second giveaway. Come on, let me know your numbers. You can start. Keep going. Keep going. This is going to be a $25,000 Top 1 Futures account. End of the day drawdown. And stop right there. No more guesses. That's it, guys. No more guesses. Stop right there. We're ready to shuffle this. And we're good to go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. What is it gonna be? Watch that blue number 4, guys. Watch that blue number 4. Watch that blue number 4. Look at that. And we got a number 4 once again. Oh my god. I was so close with number 1 right there. So we got a number 4, fellas. We got 41 winners. Now we got 36 winners. Looks like some of you gave up on your lucky number. 1 minute. Shuffle the big guys out here, ready to go and fly. Come on, good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's see who's gonna take the big prize. Another 25k account. Winners, reach out to me on Discord. Private message me on Discord, winners. Oh, Trader07, you got a big chance right there. Are you on the list? We got Pereira once again here. Once again here, and it's allowed to win. Twice. Even 3 times. It's allowed. And I think he's leading. Look at that, guys. He's leading. We never had a winner winning twice, but we got an old new one right there. And solo trades, I think that's going to be the old new one stepping through and making it to the final stage. Congrats for the winners. Hey. Absolutely lovely. Great job. Great job. Look at that. You got to win this with a pretty special costume. Beautiful. Now, moving on to the third account. This third is going to be the Ticktick Trader. Get ready, guys. Be prepared. Get ready and be prepared. You can start. Let me know your numbers. This last giveaway is going to be a $50,000. Ticktick Trader, straight to funded plus. Instant funding, of course. We always do instant funding. Keep going. Make sure to like the video for the ones that joined late. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. And that's the stop right there. That's it. No more guesses. Oops. That's it, guys. We got to stop right there. We're ready to fly for the third giveaway. Shuffle just once. And spin the wheel. We got that green number 3. Or the yellow number 4. Now that's going to be the yellow number 4 full. We had a triple 4 today, guys. All the giveaways went into number 4. This is pretty crazy, right? All the giveaways went into number 4. All the 3 giveaways today. That's crazy. Out of so many possibilities, look at that. Number 4, once again. Congrats for the winners. We've got only 20 people, so less and less. We had 41, 36, and now 20 guys on the list. That's a pretty decent 5% chance of winning the big prize right there. Oh, the first one was number 2. That's correct. Sorry. You're right, Badger. That's right. Only the second one was number 4. That's right. Let's go. Come on. Who's out here having a great time for a $50,000 Ticktick trader straight to funded plus? You got a pretty good chance. There's not many times there's just 20 guys on the list here with a duck race swimming around. Most of the time we have above 30 fellas. So when you're hitting the... Look at the Badger is right there. With a number 13. We got you, buddy. 10 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? Look at that. Look at that. Come on. The police duck. Police duck is going to be the winner. Peter. Peter, you are the winner, I'm telling you. And the police one. Pretty close with all the other ones too, but the police duck. Congratulations for the winners, and let's have a round of applause. With fireworks. For all the winners of today. 3 giveaways. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, beautiful. Your trading is going to look much better than the duck race. That's the best part, guys. We only have a single winner, but we've got a few guys that are not hitting the first spot. Yet you guys will hit the first spot. You know where? In your trading. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow, we're going to resume. We're going to continue, actually. We're going to continue, but Friday, this week, Friday, we got no stream Friday. I'm going to be out in holiday. So tomorrow is going to be last day of the week. And then we see how we do it for Monday and so on. Depends. I don't know yet the schedule for the next week. But we're nicely going around for tomorrow. And then we see how we adjust by the next week. I'm going to keep you updated tomorrow and so on in the upcoming days. Have a lovely day. Having a beautiful time. Peaceful moments. Careful on trading. Careful on the risk management. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Thank you so much.